How to install APK files on PC. So if you want to install APK files on your PC, then what you need to do is you just need simply right click on your taskbar, and then you need to go with the task manager, and you need to go with the performance section, and under performance here you may have an option of virtualization. So you just need simply go with the CPU option, and here you will have virtualization, so make sure that it is enabled. Once you enable the virtualization, then you just need simply follow with the steps. And the other thing you need to do is you just need simply go with search, and under search you need to search for Windows features on and off. Click on it, and it will take you to turn Windows features on or off. And here you need to find an option of virtual machine platform. Here you will have the virtual machine platform. So make sure that it is ticked right here, and then go with OK. And now you need to restart your device or your PC. Once you've restarted, and after that you need to go with the profile, and under profile you need to go with search. Now you need to search for WSA GitHub. Once you search for it, now you need to go with the first option, or the first thing that comes up, and here you need to go with the Windows Subsystem. Scroll down, and then you need to download the Subsystem. So you can scroll a bit down, and here you will have the download section. You can simply choose Windows 11 or Windows 10, any option that you're comfortable with. So I'll just simply go with the Windows 11, and you need to download the latest version. Just click on download, and it will start the downloading process, and wait for a bit till it downloads. Once it's downloaded, you will have your WSA file, right? So you just need simply right click on the file, and then you can extract the files, or you can just double click on it and it will automatically extract your files. Once you've extracted, you can just right click on the file, and you will have an option of run as administrator. And once you click on run as administrator, then it will open up your Windows PowerShell, and it will start installing that. And after installing, then you'll be able to download any APK files on your PC. You will have your Play Store, so just simply go to the search, and you can search for anything that you're comfortable with and download. That's how you can install APK files on your PC, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.